Today I'm going to show you how to use Todoist with task automation on Zapier step by step so you can turn events, reminders, and other Apple activity into automatic tasks without doing everything manually. This is a huge time saver if you manage a busy schedule, work with recurring projects, or just want to stay organized without constantly copying information from one app to another. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your account on the Zapier dashboard. Once you're inside, take a look at the left-hand navigation sidebar and click Apps. This is where Zapier lets you connect the services you want to automate. In the top right corner, click the Add Connection button. Zapier will now let you search for the app you want to connect, so type Todoist into the search bar and select it from the results. A secure pop-up window will appear asking for permission. This is completely normal because Zapier needs access in order to create and manage tasks in your Todoist account. Click Agree to Authorize Zapier. After that, Zapier will connect the account and you'll be ready to build your automation. Now comes the fun part, which is setting up your workflow, also called a zap. Every zap has a trigger and an action. The trigger is what starts the automation and the action is what happens next. For this example, let's use Google Calendar as the trigger app. Choose Google Calendar, then select the trigger event New Event Started. That means every time a calendar event begins, Zapier can use that event as the starting point for your automation. Next, you'll need to link the account. Choose your connected app profile and click Continue. This tells Zapier exactly which calendar account it should use. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you choose the correct one so your automation pulls data from the right place. After that, click Test Trigger. This is an important step because Zapier will pull in a real data sample from your app. That sample helps Zapier understand what your event data looks like, and it gives you a template for the rest of your workflow. If the test is successful, you'll see sample information such as the event title, event time, or event details. Now, it's time to set up the action. Select Todoist as your action app, then choose an action event like Create Task. This tells Zapier that whenever the trigger happens, it should automatically create a new task inside Todoist. Once the action is selected, you'll get to map your data. This is where you connect information from the trigger app into the Todoist task fields. For example, click into the Todoist task name field and select the calendar event title tag. That means the title of your Google Calendar event will automatically become the task name in Todoist. You can also map other fields if you want, such as descriptions, due dates, or additional notes, depending on how your workflow is set up. Take your time here and make sure the right data is going into the right fields. This is the key to making automations useful because the more accurate your mapping is, the better your Todoist tasks will be. If you're automating work meetings, project deadlines, or personal reminders, this step helps make sure nothing gets lost in translation. Once everything looks good, click Test Step to make sure a task successfully appears in Todoist. Zapier will run the action and create a sample task based on your trigger data. Go over to Todoist and check whether the task showed up correctly. If the task appears the way you expected, then you know the automation is working. If everything works, click Publish to turn the automation live. From that point on, Zapier will automatically create Todoist tasks whenever your trigger event happens. No extra manual work, no forgetting important items, and no bouncing between apps all day long. And that's it. You've just learned how to use Todoist with task automation on Zapier. Once you understand the basics, you can build all kinds of powerful workflows for school, business, personal productivity, and team organization. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more Zapier and Todoist automation examples. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.